It's 1:47 p.m. here at Bradford, Mass train station, April 5th, 2023. We have a train coming in. I just asked National Grid electrical workers if I had some insulators. They gave me 2. I'll show those later on. This train is coming in from Boston, Mass. This looks like the MBTA passenger train coming in. Last stop is Haverhill, Massachusetts. Just did a crew change, engineer and conductors. Now next stop, Haverhill, Massachusetts. Bradford, Mass train station. That's the old one right there to the left of me. That's the old original station built in the 1800s. Slowing down for the Merrimack River Bridge to do a speed restriction speed. It's April 5th, 2023, and it's cold for spring. Not too far from here, I got 2 of these insulators exactly the same, so I'll just show you one. I asked the National Grid electric truck company worker if he had that, and he had 2 of them. So that's not bad. Saddle tops, not as old as some of them. Still nice. I think they're worth having. So thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please hit that like button and please subscribe. It's free. We'll have more videos with my son Lou. I'm hopefully digging with Lou again, which we should be. He is working at Burlington Coat in a factory and right now the street from us, and we hope to find more finds and maybe even older ones of these. Hello everybody. That was the MBTA passenger train going from Boston and then here in Haverhill, Massachusetts, where Lou and I live. So yeah. So, and working down River Street in downtown, there's a lot of insulators around those poles I just missed, and there were a lot of old ones. But I got these, and a fine younger gentleman giving me 2 insulators look just like that, and yeah. So it's 45 degrees today. You would know that yesterday was 60, and there is more warmer days coming up. So thank you for watching us, and take care, and God bless. Say hello to you. I'm saying hello to all you YouTubers out there, and you all the ones that watch. I'm saying, have a happy Easter.